Unleash your creativity with dry erase vinyl, a giant world of possibilities. Swap out old school chalkboards for the versatile world of dry erase vinyl. This flexible material transforms any surface into an interactive canvas, ideal for jotting down ideas, planning, and doodling. From classrooms to conference rooms, dry erase vinyl is revolutionizing collaboration and communication. Why choose dry erase vinyl? Well, this material brings numerous benefits. Its smooth surface allows for easy writing as well as erasing, eliminating chalk dust or marker stains. Whether it's brainstorming sessions, schedules, or artistic sketches, this vinyl provides a seamless platform that encourages creativity and engagement. Incorporating dry erase vinyl requires some expertise. Professional installers understand the nuances of applying this unique material. They ensure proper application for durability and functionality. Their guidance can help you choose the right size and placement, ensuring that your surface enhances both aesthetics and utility. This material offers exciting possibilities for interactive spaces. Experience hassle-free brainstorming and communication with friends and colleagues using this material. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit www.americangraphiccontractors.com for more information.